Now I would like to show you the functional ART system step by step. Use the username and password to sign into ART system account and slide to unlock. Press the login button to log in. The main page presents a list of the machines in production, as well as information showing the summary status of each machine. Users can define the machine items to be presented on the page, so that the information can be seen at a glance. This page shows brief summary of all the machines managed on the same server. Users can click on any machine icon to go to the next page to view more detailed information. The three-color lamp indicates machine status. A green light indicates that the machine is processing under the automatic mode. A yellow light indicates that the machining program has been completed. A red light indicates that an abnormal condition has occurred. And no light on indicates that the machine is offline. This indicated function shows the model number of the machine, the production number of the machine, the model of the NC controller used in the machine. The model of the machine is displayed here. This function indicates the operational status of all monitored motors on the machine. The abnormal message function is displayed here. The display shows details of a single message or more than one message. A symbol with a number prompt indicates the total number of abnormal information messages available for viewing. This function is the help function. The explanation icon. By pressing this icon, the control interface will show the meaning of various icons. The quick search function is displayed here. You can use this quick search function to quickly search for a specific machine or search for a machine model, serial number, controller, NC version, and status. This is the user logout button. When you click on the individual machine icon in the main page, the important status and information of the machine is presented. Here, the user can monitor the axial load and spindle load of the machine. If there is an alarm, users can see all the displayed alarm messages and the operating condition of the monitored motors, such as chip conveyor, CTS, lubricator, etc. This function displays the speed and load of each axis as well as the spindle, including the feed rate. This function displays the name of the machining program currently running in the NC control, the status of the operation, and the name of the operator. This function displays all alarm messages that appear on the machine. This function monitors mechanical machine status including motors, CTS, lubricator, chip conveyor, and much more. This function displays information about the tool being used by the spindle, including tool type, number of cutting edges, tool radius, and length. This page is a machine components diagnostic overview. The Machine Components Diagnosis page presents the current status of all important components of the machine, allowing the users to quickly identify if the machine is abnormal. This page displays diagnostic information for all machines managed on the same server. This is the Machine Components Diagnostic page. This screen shows the status of each monitored component. If the component's value reaches the alert value, the icon will display a different color. The monitored components are classified according to the system composition. The diagram shows the monitored items on the machine. This light indicates three status conditions. A green light indicates the component values are normal. A yellow light indicates a certain degree of abnormality has been reached. It is recommended to continuously observe these conditions. A red light indicates the value has reached a dangerous level. The user needs to adjust the operating conditions of the machine at this point. This function displays detailed information of the monitored components, including sensors, and the values obtained by the sensors or CNC control. This page shows detailed information on estimated machine life. The machine lifetime is defined according to the recorded time usage of each machine component. This is the machine lifetime estimation overview. This screen displays the life status information of the machine while viewing restricted rates. The authorized user can click on any machine icon to go to the next page to view more detailed information. In this screen, the user can see the life status of all monitored components. This function displays the name of monitored component. This function displays a lifetime status light. A green light indicates that the part is in good condition and can be used normally. A yellow light indicates that the part is close to a warning value. It is recommended the user prepare recommended material in advance of failure. A red light indicates the component life has reached a dangerous level. The indicated component must be prepared and replaced with new components as soon as possible. This function displays the machine abnormal message. After entering the single machine page, this screen shows the life of the machine. If the user clicks on the machine system, they can see a detailed life condition. This screen displays the life status of monitored components in different colors, and the user can determine when it is necessary to prepare or replace the material. This function displays the name of the monitored component. This function displays a schematic drawing of monitored items on the machine. This is the life status light. A green light indicates that the part is in good condition and can be used normally. A yellow light indicates that the part is close to its life limitation. It is recommended to prepare new components at this point. A red light indicates the service life has been reached. The user must prepare new components for replacement as soon as possible. This is the Consumable Supplies Monitor Overview page. The Consumables Monitoring page presents mechanical consumable status. The consumable life is based on actual use history. This page displays the oil level status of all machines managed on the same server. The user can click on any machine icon to view more detailed information. The oil quantity information of the spindle and the axial lubricant are displayed here. This function tracks the percentage of residual lubricant volume and displays level condition with color coding. This display allows the user to avoid uptime loss caused by machine downtime due to insufficient lubricant. The system provides a monitoring system to calculate the usable life of residual lubricant available. This function displays the residual amount of lubricant in the spindle and axial lubricator and evaluates the consumption of future lubricants based on historical usage. This function utilizes colors to indicate the states of different residual usage as follows. A green light indicates that the amount of lubricant is sufficient and can still be used normally. A yellow light indicates that the amount of lubricant is close to a warning value. At this point, the user is recommended to prepare additional lubricant. A red light indicates that the amount of lubricant is lower than the demand for 2 weeks of use. The system will send information for ordering additional lubricant to the ERP system for inventory. The user can arrange scheduled service to replenish the machine with new product when convenient. Predictive versus preventative maintenance is key. A bar graph shows the ratio of residual lubricant. This function displays the ratio of residual lubricant. This function displays the estimated remaining number of oiling cycles available. This function displays the remaining usage time of residual lubricant. The main purpose of the power consumption monitor is to provide recording analysis and estimation of energy usage in order to help factory managers gain a better handle on energy control and cost calculations. This is the Power Consumption Monitor Overview page. This function displays the energy consumption information for all machines. Users can click on any machine icon to view more detailed information. This function displays energy consumption information, rated power, maximum power, etc. Here is the Power Consumption Monitor page. On this page, users can have a quick view of energy consumption information of a selected machine over the past 24 hours. If the selected machine is running with additional processing programs, the user has enough information to adjust the high energy consuming processes to non-peak hours to lower energy costs. This function displays power consumption information over the last 24 hours, including maximum power, current power, average, and rated power. This function shows energy consumption information for the past 24 hours in a diagram format. This function displays the rate of utilization as an indicator of production efficiency. Managers may use this rate as the basis for evaluating the pros and cons of production equipment and determine whether to increase or reduce the production capacity. The ART system allows managers using the utilization rate to have a quick, intelligent view of productivity. This industry-leading ART system provides accurate calculations, statistics, and comprehensive analysis for the user. This is the Utilization Rate Monitor Overview page. This page displays the usage status of all machines managed on the same server. Users can click on any machine icon to view more detailed information. This is the Utilization Rate Monitor page. This screen displays the state of machine usage or the usage condition at any point during a current 24-hour period. Machine runtime means actual in-cut time for the machine from start to current state. Idle time means machine time spent for non-cutting functions. The alarm time means abnormal downtime. The pie chart displays the proportional relationship between each state. This function displays the usage status over the current 24-hour period. This function displays the utilization rate of the machine over the current 24-hour period. This function displays the name of the machining program currently running on the NC and the status of the operation and the operator's name. The data analysis function provides further analysis of the machine's mechanical condition. The manager can easily select an individual machine to view pertinent details. This screen displays historical parameter information, for example, power, temperature, vibration, etc., that can be provided to maintenance personnel to check for abnormal machine conditions. Select the machine for query. The line chart displays time in the horizontal axes, and the vertical axis shows units and figures. Select the time period to be queried. For example, we select yesterday's date and time from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Then we select power of spindle, A-axis, C-axis, and Y-axis. Then it shows the statistical operating conditions. This is the end of the presentation. I hope the presentation has improved your understanding of our powerful proprietary ART system. The ART system is a comprehensive, intelligent monitoring system that was developed to facilitate automated 24/7 operation without unexpected downtime. When the AXILE machine is integrated with our ART system, AXILE can always reduce maintenance cost and parts inventory. We can increase energy efficiency, utilization rate, and productivity. Thank you for your attention. For more information, please feel free to contact Buffalo Machinery Sales Team.